Have you ever poured Coca-Cola into onion remedy that completely makes you stop and double take? Today, we are testing out one of the most talked about DIY hacks circulating online, mixing fresh onions with classic Coca-Cola. A lot of people swear by this for localized comfort, so we're going to look at exactly how it's made, how to apply it, and what the actual science says about it. To get started, you don't need a massive amount of ingredients. We are taking just one fresh white onion and slicing it cleanly right down the middle. For this specific recipe, we only need half of the onion, which is the perfect amount to fit inside a standard household jar. Next, we're going to carefully peel back the outer papery skin and slice the half onion into thin, uniform layers. Slicing it finely like this is an important step because it breaks the cellular walls of the onion, allowing all of those natural juices, oils, and compounds to release much easier once we add our liquid. Go ahead and drop those fresh slices right into a clean, empty glass jar, pressing them down slightly so they sit snugly at the bottom. Now comes the unexpected twist. Grab one small individual bottle of classic Coca-Cola. We're going to uncap it and pour it directly over our sliced onions. You want to pour slowly until the liquid completely submerges every single slice. As the soda hits the onion, you'll see it fizz and foam up. That's just the carbonation reacting to the textured surface of the vegetables. Once it's completely filled, twist the metal lid back on as tightly as possible to seal in the mixture. Now patience is key. We are going to carry this over to a dark, cool place, like the back of a kitchen cabinet or pantry, and let it sit completely undisturbed for exactly 3 days. This 3-day steeping period allows the soda to act as a solvent, drawing out the organic elements from the onion and infusing them into a single liquid blend. Fast forward 3 days later, and our mixture is fully ready. When you bring it back out into the light, you'll notice the color has deepened, and the onion slices have softened significantly, absorbing that dark liquid. To use this remedy, open up the jar, take a clean, plush cotton ball, and dip it right into the top, letting it soak up a generous amount of the infused liquid. Now let's look at how it's applied. People typically use a well-saturated cotton ball or cloth to rub this mixture directly onto areas where they experience joint or muscle discomfort, commonly across the wrists, elbows, or directly onto the knees. You want to apply it in smooth, circular motions, letting the liquid thoroughly coat the skin. Many traditional folk recipes suggest leaving it on for a short period to let it dry naturally before rinsing it away. So let's break down the claims. Why do people pass this recipe around for pain relief? Onions naturally contain high amounts of an antioxidant called quercetin, alongside various organic sulfur compounds. In traditional wellness, these elements are celebrated for their natural anti-inflammatory properties when studied in pure extracts. The theory behind the folk remedy is that these